Hi Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. Today I'm doing another banana video. I love doing bananas because banana is one of those old foods that is so good for you and it is full of fiber. And today I'm going to make banana flour. I'm trying to do food combining, and in doing food combining you want to make sure you do fruits with fruits and vegetables with vegetables. So whenever I am making a banana bread, I would like to be able to use the fruit based flour, which would be the same fruit. And so today now you see how this banana is so stainy that I choose to use the gloves. It's very stainy, and I realize that the banana is more stainy than the plantain. The plantains are not as half as stainy as the bananas. Usually I would just oil my hand and peel it, but today because I don't have access to the sink, I am doing this way. So you could either mark the banana and peel it down, or cut it in two and mark it at all sides so you can just easily peel it off. I prefer the other way because it's like I'm doing the work twice this way. So after I do this now, I put it in some water so that it doesn't get black. Because of the stains, it will get black fast. In order for it to, say you want to do a large amount, you could put the banana in some buttermilk and that will prevent it from getting black. The buttermilk will keep it as white as it is here and as white as my dress. And so yes, so I just want to show you, this is just some water. I didn't bother to do the buttermilk because I'm trying to go fast, and because the blackness doesn't really matters to me. So now I'm just gonna take the gloves off, and now I have clean hands to go and show you how I make the flour. Okay, Simple Life. So after just a couple of minutes, you just, this is how it looks. Yeah, so I will just go ahead and just pour it out on either your parchment paper or a silicone wrap. The parchment paper, I'm choosing that choice, making that choice today. And you just put it here and put it either outside in the sun or put it in the dehydrator and let it dry. Normally I do it at 105 temperature because you want it to remain raw, and 105 to 118 will keep it raw. And then you just come back in the morning and it's all dried and ready. See, if it was in the buttermilk, it would have looked much whiter. So I'm just gonna put this right here now in the dehydrator and come back and show you. Right. So from the dehydrator now, I have some that I did overnight. See, it's as dry as chips. So I'm going to blend this up and show you how I do the flour. So let's exchange that. And we can put this here and plug it in. Life. This is how easy it is to make your own flour. So just like I did with the plantain, here now is your banana flour. And it is as smooth as anything. If you want now, you can go ahead and strain it, like sieve it, to get it even more smoother. But it's fine for me. There it is, plantain flour. See? So go on and get your fiber in. All of these are healthy food. We need to be going away from junk food, from processed food, and go back to eating natural. These kind of flours, if you go to the health food stores, I'm not sure if I've ever seen banana flour in the health food store or at those high-end stores, but see, you've seen it done here, so you know how it's made. And so I'm just gonna continue here now and make some more banana flour, because when I did a lot of bananas, because you know, when you're doing something, might as well take the time and make a whole bunch. But I just want to show you Simple Life, to show you how you can make your life, you know, more simpler and more cost effective. Because if you were to buy this in the store, it would have cost you so much money. So Simple Life, I just hope that you make this, make some banana flour, and let me know. When I make banana bread using this flour, I will do a video and let you know how I do it. So thank you for sharing, liking, subscribing, spending your time here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. All right.